This is a tutorial on a quick and easy way to set up your kiosk in kiosk mode using Google's Chrome browser. When you first log into your Windows machine, you want to see if the Chrome application is already loaded. On the bottom left-hand side, if you have a touchscreen, double tap into the search bar. The virtual keyboard pops up and you want to type in Google. As you can see on my machine, the top left, Google Chrome is already an application that's loaded on here. If you don't have Google Chrome, what you want to do is utilize the built-in web browser called Microsoft Edge, and it should pop up on the left hand as a default. If not, you could just search for Edge. You want to open the Microsoft Edge application. In the Search the Web search bar, you want to type in Chrome for desktop. If you search Chrome for desktop, it'll give you a link to download Chrome specifically from Google. You can download the Chrome application from there. Once you get the Chrome application loaded onto your machine, go back and find Chrome in the program folder. So type in Google. And then on your touchscreen, you want to press and hold onto Chrome. And then it'll give you some options. You want to open up the open file location. This will take you to where the program is loaded. And then on the touchscreen, you want to touch and hold. And then it'll give you this collapsible bar. What you're looking for is to create a shortcut. So on my screen, you see it's the fourth one from the bottom. It'll give you this default because it can't create a shortcut in the folder, but what you want to do is create the shortcut on the desktop. So you hit yes. This will give you your Chrome shortcut that you're going to use to enter in specific properties for your point of sale self-order kiosk page. So on the desktop, press and hold the Chrome icon, and then you want to go to properties at the bottom. And then in the target field, which is already highlighted, you want to select that field, use your keyboard to scroll all the way to the end till you can't go anymore, do a space, and then you want to type in dash kiosk. You want to create another space, and then you want to put a quotation mark. And then after the quotation mark, you're going to type in your kiosk URL. The kiosk URL is typically provided by the point of sale company. So for Dutchie customers, typically your kiosk URL is dutchie.com/kiosk/your dispensary name and then /lock at the end. But it could vary from customer to customer. So go into your dashboard and see if your URL is visible. If you're utilizing another point of sale system, contact the point of sale company and find out what your specific kiosk URL is. You're going to want to type that right after the quotation mark. So I will type in frankmayer.com. And then at the end of that address, you want to put another quotation mark. Close that, you hit apply, then you hit OK, and you're all done. Now, one thing you need to do before you open up this link and Chrome launch in kiosk mode, you want to close down all the Chrome windows. So if you've opened up a Chrome browser and you have another window open, searching for other stuff on the web, you want to make sure that all the windows are closed and then go back and double click the application and your Chrome browser should launch in kiosk mode. There will not be any navigation bars or URL, so customers can't back out of the application. They stay mainly on your self-order website. When you're in kiosk mode, your website should look something similar to this. You won't see any navigation bars or any URL. For those of you who are having trouble with your keyboard, the Windows default keyboard should pop up when needed. So if you go to a form, you want to fill out some information, the Windows keyboard pops up. Uh, Challenge with that is that the keyboard does not always disappear when you don't need it. So sometimes you fill out the form and then you have to close the window in order for it to go away. A solution for this is to utilize the kiosk in what's called tablet mode. So on your touchscreen, on the right-hand side, so on the edge of the screen, swipe inwards, and you'll see a collapsible bar. On the collapsible bar, you'll see an option called tablet mode. Select tablet mode, and then close the bar. This will give you the virtual keyboard, and it should pop up and disappear when needed and not needed.